In a first of its kind, the UK has issued out its first ever drone conviction. Christopher McEwen from Norwich had pleaded guilty to over 17 drone offences, several of which included flying over an emergency situation, flying over a prison, taking photographs, and also flying in restricted airspace next to Norwich Airport. And we're going to get into this and as to why we really need to be aware and not fly at any emergency situation. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby guys. Today's rant is all about flying in places that you shouldn't. And I see this a lot from people, and people even that I know, who will see a fire and will put the drone up thinking, I'm going to get some footage and sell it to the news. Don't do that, because it's actually against the law. You should not be doing that. Even though you think it's going to be cool and you think that you're safe, you are not safe, because there could be air ambulance or the police coming in, and this is something which people just don't think about. Now, many people will always think that, yeah, I'm at a safe distance, I've got flight radar, I'm checking for helicopters that are going to be in the area. No, absolutely not, because the majority of the emergency services around the world, now I'm talking globally here, the majority of the emergency services do not broadcast on Flight Radar 24 because many of them have a privacy issue, so they will not be broadcasting their location. That, of course, some countries are different, of course, but you can't rely on that. Now, you will not know which direction that any helicopter is coming in. So even if you think that you are safe, it's best to be sure not to fly. Now, this person didn't just fly near, he flew over the incident apparently, and you can see here from the footage, it really doesn't look very good at all. But he was fined up to £3,000 and his drone was destroyed. He had a Mavic 3 Pro apparently. Several convictions now, including the fire that he was flying over, but he was also flying over a prison in Norwich, and he was taking photographs. Now, this is a breach of the Prisons Act, Section 40D, which is from 1952, and then he was also flying a distance of over 2,000 meters, and I think it was over 44 flights. There was 36 that he was flying beyond visual line of sight without any permission. Also, he was flying within the area of Norwich Airport. So there's multiple, let's say, convictions that he was done from, and this is just not good. But I'm happy to see that the police have done something about it, and I hope to see that this is an example that is set. Please don't fly your drone over areas that you shouldn't. It's there are so many drones now. This is a popular hobby, I do understand. It's a popular hobby, which means more and more people, and everyone's competing to see if they can get the best footage. I know that. I used to do it years and years ago myself, but now, I've done all that, and I don't really need to fight for that because I'm concentrating on, let's say, other things. But I know what it's like. And when it comes to the emergency services, do not go near them, please. It's not worth it. People's lives are more important than some video footage that you can sell to the news for your 5 minutes of ego. It's not worth it, really. Anyway, thank you, everyone. I hope... I'll leave a link to the news report in the description below. It's from SUAS News. I'll leave that in the description. Please go and check it out. You can get a bit more detail about it as well. It is worth it. And yeah, please be safe out there. Make sure you have your situational awareness. It's so important. It is vital for the hobby and for people's lives as well. So see you in the next video. Fly safe.